What are operators in Python?
Operators are symbols used to perform operations on variables and values, such as arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, and bitwise operations.
What are arithmetic operators in Python?
Arithmetic operators include plus, asterisk, slash, percent, and for performing mathematical calculations.
What are comparison operators in Python?
Comparison operators compare two values and return true or false. They include equals, equals, greater or equal, and less or equal.
What are logical operators in Python?
Logical operators are and, or, and not. They are used to combine or negate conditional expressions.
What is typecasting in Python?
Typecasting is the process of converting one data type into another using functions such as int, float, str, and bool. Text.
What are conditional statements in Python?
Conditional statements are used to make decisions in a program. The main conditional statements are if, elif, and else.
What is an if statement?
The if statement executes a block of code only if the specified condition is true.
What is the purpose of the elif statement?
The elif statement checks additional conditions if the previous if or elif condition is false.
What is the purpose of the else statement?
The else statement executes a block of code when all previous conditions are false.
What is a nested if statement?
A nested if statement is an if statement placed inside another if statement to check multiple conditions.
What is a loop in Python?
A loop repeatedly executes a block of code until a specified condition is met.
What is a for loop?
A for loop is used to iterate over a sequence such as a list, tuple, string, or range.
What is a while loop?
A while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as the specified condition is true.
What is the range function?
The range function generates a sequence of numbers and is commonly used with for loops.
What is the difference between a for loop and a while loop?
A for loop is used when the number of iterations is known, while a while loop is used when the number of iterations depends on a condition.
What is the break statement?
The break statement immediately terminates the nearest loop and transfers control to the next statement after the loop.
What is the continue statement?
The continue statement skips the current iteration of a loop and continues with the next iteration.
What is the pass statement?
The pass statement is a null statement that does nothing. It is used as a placeholder where code is required syntactically.
What is a function in Python?
A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. It is defined using the def keyword.
How do you define a function in Python?
A function is defined using the def keyword, followed by the function name, parentheses, and a colon.